Good morning, students. Today we will start our new chapter, and the name of the chapter is The Proposal. Activity. The word proposal has several meanings. Can you guess what sort of proposal the play is about? So, the word has several meanings. Can you guess what sort of proposal the play is about? A suggestion, plan or scheme for doing something. Second, an offer for a possible plan or action. Third, the act of asking someone's hand in marriage. So, a Russian wedding. Do you know anything about a Russian marriage ceremony? Read this article about a Russian wedding. So, we will read this article, and the article is about a Russian wedding. Preparations for a Russian wedding. A Russian wedding is very simple. The planning only includes arranging for rings, bride's dress cars and a reception. Earlier, the bride's family paid for the reception. But nowadays, brides and grooms' families usually share expenses. So, he says, what are the preparations for a Russian wedding? It is simple. A Russian wedding is very simple, and the planning only includes arranging for rings and bride's dress cars and a reception. Earlier, the bride's family paid for the reception, but nowadays brides and grooms families, they share expenses. A Russian wedding lasts for 2 days. It takes 2 days. Some weddings last as long as a week, and the occasion becomes something to remember for years. So, a Russian wedding, it lasts for 2 days, but sometimes some weddings last as long as a week, and the occasion becomes something to remember for years. The necessary part of the wedding ceremony is a wedding procession of several cars. So, it is a necessary part of wedding. The best friends of the groom, bride meet before the wedding a few times, make posters, write speeches and organize contests. So, the best friends of groom and bride, they meet before the wedding, and a few times they make posters, they write speeches and they organize contests. When the groom arrives to fetch the bride for the registration, he has to fight to get her, and when the groom arrives to take the bride for the registration, to fetch the bride for the registration, he has to fight to get her. Russians usually live in apartments, in tall buildings, and the groom has to climb several stairs to reach his bride. So, Russian, they usually live in apartments, and apartments are in tall buildings, and the groom has to climb several stairs to reach his bride. But at each landing, he must answer a question to be allowed to go up. So, at each landing, at each stoppage, he must answer a question to be allowed to go up. The bride's friends ask difficult questions. So, difficult questions are asked, sometimes about the bride, sometimes just difficult riddles, and the groom must answer with the help of his friends. So, the groom has to answer these questions. For example, he may be shown a few photos of baby girls, and he must say which one his bride is. One example is given. Suppose he may be shown a few photos of baby girls, and He must say which one his bride is. He has to find out the bride. If he guesses wrong, he must pay cash to move ahead. And if the answer is wrong, he has to pay cash to move ahead. After the marriage registration, the newly married couple leaves the guest for a tour of the city sides. And after the marriage registration, the newly married couple, it leaves the guests for a tour of the city sides. After 2 or 3 hours of the city tour, the couple arrives at the reception. After tour, the couple arrives at the reception. The couple sits at a specially arranged table with their family, friends and invited guests. So, the couple, as it comes and they sits at a specially arranged place, specially arranged table with their family, relatives, friends. The reception starts with toast to the couple, and the reception starts with toast, and toasts are given to the couple. A wedding toast is a custom where a close friend or relative of the groom or the bride says a few words to wish the couple. So, a wedding toast is a custom where a close friend or relative of the groom or the bride says a few words to bless the couple, to wish the couple. Then everyone raises their glass of wine and drink it up at the same moment. After toast, everyone raises their glass of wine and they drink it up at the same moment, same time. The groom is then asked to kiss the bride. Then the groom is asked to kiss the bride. After a few toasts, people start eating and drinking. And then people, they start drinking and eating and generally have fun and they enjoy the moment. After some time, the bride gets stolen, and suddenly the bride gets stolen. She disappears, and when the groom starts looking for her, he is asked to pay a fee, and he has to pay a fee. Usually it is his friends who steal the bride, and the bride, it is stolen by his friends. Then there are the bride's friends. They steal the bride's shoe. Then the bride's shoes are stolen. Then the bride's shoe, they are stolen. The groom must pay money for the shoe too. And again, groom must pay money to take the shoes. The guests enjoy watching these tussles and continue partying. All these ceremonies take place and guests enjoy watching these ceremonies and continue partying. Thank you.